Yo, what is up, guys? Today is Motovlog day. Broke out the second camera angle, and as you saw by the title, we're gonna go look at Bandimere. They unfortunately announced that they are moving. I don't think they're shutting down, I think they're moving, but I live like pretty close by to Bandimere. So I was like, you know, why not take a trip down to Bandimere? It's beautiful outside, almost 70 degrees. I got Suicide Boys blasting in my helmet. I'm chilling. So let's just go and have a fun motovlog, hopefully. I don't know if I set off this light, to be honest with you. Now, my tires are a little cold, but this is my favorite turn up here. I want to lean it over so bad. The roads look good enough. Should we do it? Yeah, we're doing it. I love that turn. Probably should have been in second, but first sounds cooler. So we're gonna take the back way in, just because what are we in a hurry for? You know, we're not. So the back way is not too bad, so we're just gonna take it and just chill. I actually like it. It's a really nice like back road type thing. Also, for anybody that cares, go Nuggets. Tonight's the first game against the Phoenix. We already know what happens. I don't. Hopefully we won, but go Denver, baby. Oh, no feet. No feet, no feet, no feet. Yeah. I'm gonna try to go to Bandimere one more time. I'm sure tickets are gonna be outrageous now that people know that it's like going away. So I don't know how easily those tickets are gonna be able to be gotten. But I've actually had some amazing experiences at Bandimere. I'll go ahead and flash back to them in a second, but I've definitely, man, Bandimere is so much fun. If you have an opportunity to go before it leaves or relocates, because God knows where the hell it's gonna go, right? Definitely do it. Definitely do it. So here's a couple clips from me at Bandimere. The 4th of July is just, man, it's so much fun. That's the last time I went was, I don't think it was this last 4th of July, but the 4th of July before that. It was, God, it was such an amazing time, man. So I'm definitely going to try to maybe go this 4th of July, but tickets for even the Nationals are already like $200 a seat, man. For any of those that care, I'll talk about it for just a second. That Deion Sanders experience, like, dude, that whole football game was a trip, man. Like, I've never been, like, besides, like, high school games and my brother's Little League games, I've never been that close to, like, football on a high level like that before. A decently high level, you know, the highest level a lot of people reach. Holy, man, was it an experience. I'll never forget it. Damn, it looks like this park's busy. People are already parking on the road. Wow, actually, it's already really green where the fire was. I mean, the grass is green, kinda. Look at that. Wow, that is a bummer. It made it all the way up to this road line, man. I wonder if it hopped over. Holy shit, wow, that recovered, like, besides the trees and bushes, that recovered pretty quick, man. This didn't. All right, Tacoma, you were going fast. What the hell happened? Where is your plates from? New Hampshire? Is that a state? I think New Hampshire's a state. Maybe my geography is ass cheeks. How many people live in New Hampshire? It can't be many. I'm just cooking New Hampshire for no reason. If you're from New Hampshire, I'm sorry. I love New Hampshire, if it exists. Let's see, I'll be able to see it right here. Oh, it's Pennsylvania. Ah. All right, well, I'm gonna... Come on now, buddy. I don't want to be that guy, but I've passed 6 Harleys. Not one of them waved. The first Honda guy that I just passed waved at me. Oh, they don't have the bubbles going. God dang it. I wanted to play in the bubbles. Now, unfortunately, the front camera quit blinking again. Oh, a dirt bike. Why can't GoPros just work, huh? Okay, we love people that don't pay attention. What What the fuck? Oh, they're climbers. I was like, what's all that? All right, let's pull into the gas station and fix this camera. Hopefully. All right, what's going on with it? SD card error, fucking classic. All right, should be synced up again, hopefully. Let's see. I wish they would like let you go up to it. I don't know how close you can get without a ticket. Or like, cause you know, see those gates up there without like authorized whatever. Welcome to Bandimere Speedway. Damn, I wish it was gonna stay here. I think these motherfuckers had a big thing to do with it. But it's like, I could see both sides, but like, dude, if you know you're gonna be fucking living next to a drag strip, don't move next to a drag strip. You know what I'm saying? Like, people are like, ah, it's too loud. Like, you move next to a drag strip. You know what I mean? Oh man, that sucks. There's also a go-kart track like right here. Damn, that's a bummer. I'm gonna miss it. Yeah, this is like decently new. I mean, look at the paint. There never used to be like an intersection right here. You think there's any cops on it? Whoa, see, this is new. I almost just died. I wasn't even paying attention. That's brand new. Maybe we'll give her a little bit of beans. If we can, when I see the full road, we'll see if any cops are hiding up here. Because sometimes they like to. All right, we'll give her a little bit after we get past these bikers. I don't want to like spook them. All right, you ready? Oh, that wasn't a bad one. That's such a bummer about Bandimere, man. I wish I could have taken this thing. I wish I could have ran this. I mean, I could have, but dude, have you guys seen the price of tracksuits? Like, hello? You think I could afford a tracksuit? I got a 6-year-old camera on my face and God knows how. Well, this one's a 7, so this one's not too bad. This one's the 2018, man. Like, yeah, right. What is this Jeep doing? Get over. I'll let you over. Ah, he's throwing dust all in my face. How did I get dust in my helmet? Oh, my visor was cracked a little bit. I have to sneeze. Oh, I gotta sneeze. I'm not gonna park. Don't you do it, motherfucker. That shit is just... Bro. You literally cannot beat that. Oh, did you see this bug? Ah! He almost flew in my eyeball. Oh, there he's back. I didn't kill him. Where'd he go? Where'd this bug go? Missed him. Fuck. Now, it's almost impossible to go left here. We'll give it a shot. Oh my God, look at that. Never mind. Let's go. Oh, I love when you get lucky on busy roads like that. Do we take the highway or the back way? You know what? We're gonna hop on the highway and maybe go peep what's going on in downtown Golden. I feel like I haven't done that in a while. Ooh, big bump. Get up to merging speed, of course. Only merging speed. Oh my God, I still gotta sneeze. Oh, here it comes. Where's the sun? I gotta look at the sun to sneeze. Oh, I can't. Oh, damn it. Oh, I want it to come out so bad. Oh, please. Oh, that's almost worse than a head itch, man. Just being blue-balled by a sneeze. That's gonna feel so good to just release, dude. Please let me sneeze. A lot of bikes out today. You love to see it. I'm gonna lose my mind. The front camera turned off again. I'm going to lose it. I'm gonna have to find a place to pull off and reset it. I guess I could turn it off from here, but I don't really want to be distracted trying to fuck with a camera. Because if I were to crash my bike because of some fucking company that hates their fucking customers and makes the shittiest cameras alive, I would be livid. I'm just gonna do it right here. All right. Can you stop doing this, please, for fuck's sake? It makes me have to reset both cameras. SD card error again? Yep, classic. All right, hold on. All right, we should be synced up for the fucking 5th time. God dang. Hopefully it lasts through Golden. It's less exciting, but I would also like to go to a School of Mines game. I've never been to one, and I think that would be so cool. That'd be something wicked to do. Don't you do it, Toyota. Don't you run out in front of me. Should we hit the Chris Angel going down this hill? Let's hit the Chris Angel, boys. You ready? Yeah. Damn, it is busy as hell. Should we look cool? Here, let's do it. Now we look like a stormtrooper. Oh, what's up here? Oh, I see some more bikes. What's this? What the fuck is that? That thing was disgusting. Dude, there's so many bikes out. Oh, I love it. That's so beautiful. When you do the sunglasses, people are so amazed. It's kind of like they just spawn on you, like, you know? Oh, damn, somebody is smoking the reefer. That is nothing but skunk. What am I listening to? This is Ass Cheeks. Of course, I don't get the light. Well, at least I didn't stop in the middle like this donkey. Oh, do we get the arrow? Arrow, arrow. Give me the arrow, give me the arrow, give me the arrow, give me the arrow, give me the arrow. Arrow, 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 arrow. Fuck, I knew it. God dang it. Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh, it's like an old school Dodge. That thing is sick, dude. Is that a Viper? It is. All the fire trucks are out. Wow, look at that. That's cool. Oh, there's 3 of them. I like the white fire trucks. I think those look sick. Oh no, we're on a hill. Can I back it in? Oh, I'm doing it. Yay, short power. All right, it is hot. I'm gonna go home. I hope you enjoyed this video. I got to drive by Bandimere, and maybe, hopefully, I'll be able to make a video there before the year is over and they get rid of it. But as always, if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later.